Be ready. Start. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, we must find out the main reason why there were so many writ petitions and petitions for special leave to appeal to the Supreme Court. That was so because in most of these cases we had made the decision of that tribunal final. Now, under the Constitution, the Supreme Court has not the right to grant special leave of appeal. That is naturally untouched. Similarly, the High Courts have got the right of the power of issue rights. Of course, I cannot say that it is all without justification. Probably many of those courts thought that in a matter that it is all without justification. Probably many of those courts that in a matter where the aggrieved party had no remedy whatsoever, they should rather have the right to look into the matter. And it was from that point of view that we had so many appeals and so many writs issued by the High Court. Now, we are going to provide in this measure for a direct appeal to the High Court itself. As lawyer members probably know, when there is a remedy by way of appeal, no High Court ordinarily issues any writ, and the Supreme Court is not expected to grant any special leave of appeal. It has therefore been found desirable to provide straightway for an appeal to the High Court by an aggrieved party. I think this will also remove much of the delay which is ordinarily caused by these matters. Paragraph. Sir, apart from that, the clause itself mentions that the tribunal shall decide the election petition within 6 months and that the High Court shall dispose it of within 3 months. I know that even if we impose such a restriction, it may not necessarily be so, but I am sure that unless there are any special reasons, etc., the tribunals will dispose of these matters within 6 months, and the High Courts also will give priority to matters like these and dispose of these matters within 6 months, and the High Courts also will give priority to matters like these and dispose them within 3 months. So, the honorable members will find that the present provision that has been made in this bill is much more satisfactory than the previous one. Paragraph. Sir, there are one or two other matters which were raised by previous speakers. I will briefly refer to them. Some thought we might make voting compulsory. It is very difficult thing to do in a democracy like ours. We have adult franchise and 40 crores of people are involved. This is an impossible thing. Stop.